Al-Mufid, Book 1, page 14. The title, Ba. Ba. This letter is unique to Arabic language. Make sure you learn it properly. The common mistake is to pronounce it as Da, the letter that we learned before. This letter is pronounced as Ba. And remember, it's a heavy letter. So there should be an echo that is heard when you say it. Ba. 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 Don't worry if you don't master it straight away. It should come with time. Ba. 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 First line. Sha. Sa. Ba. Now if you notice those three letters, the first one is light, then we have the sa and the ba, both are heavy. Again, sha, sa, ba, sha, sa, ba, sa, sha, ba, sa, sha, ba, ba, ra, ba, ba, ra, ba. Second line. Da, sa, ba. Da, sa, ba. Da, the, ba. Da, the, ba. Ja, ba, ha. Ja, ba, ha. Third line. Za, ba, sa. Za, ba, sa. Sa, ba, sa. Sa, ba, sa. Sa, ba, da. Sa, ba, da. Fourth line. Sa, sha, sa. Sa, sha, sa. Ba, sa, ha. Ba, sa, ha. Tha, ja, ba. Tha, ja, ba. Fifth line. Sa, za, sa. Sa, za, sa. Da, ba. Ra. Da, ba, ra. Ba. The. Ra. Ba, the, ra. And now we read the letters. A, ba, ta, fa, ja, ha, kha, da, the, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, ba. So far, we have the ba, heavy, sa, heavy, and of course the ra, because of the fatha on top of it, otherwise it's not. And then we have the kha. Again, a, ba, ta, fa, ja, ha, kha, da, the, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, ba. And now fast. A, ba, ta, fa, ja, ha, kha, da, the, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, ba.